They told us this van layout could not work, but they were wrong, very wrong. Come on and check us out. All right, so the first thing that we have is a swivel seat on the passenger side. If you lift this desk up, then it turns into a workstation. Check it out. You can get all your work done right here. So the next thing that we have is storage. We have an abundance of storage. This is just the first one. As you can see, we have all types of things. We got Kizzy's bowl, paper towels, snacks, all of that good stuff right here in our storage area. So next up, y'all know it's my place, is the bathroom. Y'all know KapKen has got to have a bathroom. All right. So we have our nice Lucille toilet, dry flush toilet. We also have, the shower. And you can also take the toilet out if you want more space. Since it is a dry flush toilet. Sit it right there. Come in here and look how much space you have. You can stand up, dance, party. And you can close the door. Guess what else we have in the shower? We have a medicine cabinet, guys. Look at here. Look at here. You can put all your essentials, your toothpaste, your alcohol, your peroxide, your Band-Aids, all of that can fit in there. We have a medicine cabinet in our camper van. Who can say that? We have soap dispensers. Or his, hers, and Kizzy. We also have towel racks in here. Exhaust fan with a light. Look at all the storage we have. This is where we keep like our blankets, cleaning supplies. What is this? Oh, your reacher. Now, this is for my ladies. Y'all gonna love this. Wait till I show you this. Bam! You got a full-length mirror. And guess what else we got in this mirror? Check it out. You got a whole jewelry box in here. You can carry all your jewelry. You can even use this to store like your money, your valuables or whatever. It does have a key on it. So yes, this is what I'm talking about, ladies. What you think about this? Yes, we got a jewelry box. If you like this jewelry box, leave us a comment. This is an African themed camper van. So we have the decorations. We got some spears going on. More decorations. We have a feature that no other van in America has. We have a fit station. You want to know what that is? That is a Frosty, ice, and tea machine. Fit. Ooh. So y'all know y'all always looking for ice. We got you. You want a Frosty? We got you. You want some tea? We got you. Also does coffee, but I'm not a coffee person. So this is my tea station. So come see this fit station. Along with the fit station, so when you open this drawer, we have all of our K-cups in here. I got a tea mug. We have all of our spices. We got some jellies in there. We also got some shot glasses for those who like to indulge. Right, so that is our fit station. We got a nice size freezer on our refrigerator. And also shot glasses. You got to keep your shot glasses nice and cool. So we also have this refrigerator, and it is a nice size, as you can tell. You can fit quite a few items in there. we have right here. This holds a lot of our kitchen supplies. We have our cookware in here. We have some more mugs. You know, we have this rolling door to keep everything nice and snug so nothing falls out while we're traveling on the road. And one of the things that we're also going to do is we're going to put a roll-up door on our fit station. We just haven't gotten around to it yet. So check us out for our next video when you see the rolling door on the fit station. All right, so let's get on to the kitchen area. And then we have a nice 6 feet by 2 feet countertop. We have a lot of counter space. So as well as it being a desk, it's also prep station. We have a full sink, a deep sink right here. We have a multifaceted faucet, so you can do this. And so it has a couple of settings on that. And you can actually take the faucet and you can use it to spray outside. We also have a filtered water station. Also have an induction cooktop here. It has 2 eyes. Yes, I still say eyes. I'm from the country, okay? The cookware that we have this special cookware that when you put it on top, it immediately heats it up. When you take it off, it immediately goes cold. So that's what the induction cooker is. So we have our nice little big screen TV. And it does come out. It does have a swivel on it, so you can bring it all the way out. If Kizzy is not trying to move, guys. All right, so it does come all the way out, and you can swing it this way too. You want to watch TV in the front, and it can also swing to the door, and you can watch TV outside as well. So you can watch it out front, you can watch it in the back, or you can watch it outside. That's why we have this long extended swivel for the TV. All right. Let me put this TV back in place. So we do have 4 cameras on the outside, guys, and this shows all sides of the van. So safety reasons, you always want safety first. So this is an awesome feature that we have. Bring you on over here to the control panel, and you can control everything from here. And don't forget the paper towel holder, guys. We are going to get rid of this curtain, guys. Just like with this door, we're going to put a door here. But for now, we have curtains here. And what I do want to show you is the microwave that we have. It is a microwave, an air fryer, an oven, dehydrator. All right, and next up we have our drawer of utensils. We have y'all know y'all junk drawers, but mostly this is our utensils, and then all of our specialty utensils. That's what we're going to call it, specialty utensils. And we also have our whole battery system down here, as you can see. So this is where all the magic happens, okay? We have 11 kilowatts of power. Y'all know that's a lot for a camper van. We pretty much never have to plug in. So keep that in mind. So right here we have our hot water heater, and it holds 7 gallons of hot water, guys. I know y'all talking about the battery and the water being in the same area, but Ken is going to explain that later for you guys. Real quick, only thing I know is that it is waterproof. That's what hubby told me. That's all I need to know. Okay, so this is the main controller panel. So it has all of our electric boxes in here. We got all of our remote controls. As you can see, is nicely labeled. It's nicely labeled in here. And then we also have heated floors, guys. So when you in the cold weather, when we go up north, we can cut on some heated floors. All right. Yeah, I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to try it. All right, so next up is where the magic happens. This is the work area, the living area, the sleeping area. As you can see, we have customized pillows. We made sure that the pillows are waterproof. So the covers for the pillows, all of the pillows are waterproof. And we have plenty of storage back here. And let me show you, if Kizzy will allow me. Kizzy, can I show the people? Can I show the people that we have storage? Can I show them? No? Okay. I'm gonna move Kizzy to the other side, guys. So as you can see, this is one side of storage. We have umbrellas. We have your folding chairs in here. We got a big speaker in here. We got bags. We got all kinds of things that you would take like to the beach. And the storage goes all the way down to the floor. So we have plenty of storage. Plenty, plenty, plenty. All right, so I'm gonna transfer these pillows on over to the other side. And as you can see, we have another, it can be workstation, a dining room table, whatever you need a table for. We have another table back here. And we use this for our remote working. So we have one person back here doing remote working, and then we have the other up front doing remote working. So we have two stations that can be used. And we have storage under the seat as well. And I can show you that as well. Check it out, guys. So this one is really deep. You can really see the storage over here because it's not a lot of stuff over here. As you can see, so it's deep. That's what she said. All right, all that good old storage. We also have storage up here too. This is where we store like our clothes and things like this. We have storage all over here. As you can see, I can stick my hand in there. Storage, storage, storage. Can you say storage? We have a lot of storage. And as you can see, we have customized our doors with our family pictures, our loved ones all over here so they can stay with us always. Storage. All right, storage. Storage. You know what we try to do is keep all of our clothes on this side and all of our junk stuff on this side. So can you imagine? It's not nowhere near full. And I'm not trying to get it full either. I'm not trying to do that, okay? Because we are minimalists and no more stuffing. But can you imagine, like, we can carry maybe what, 20 outfits per person with us at all times. So we have enough storage for all of that with our shoes and everything else that comes with it. All right, so what I was gonna say is, can you guys guess how many charging stations we have in this van? Take a guess in the comments. We have 20. We have a whole 20 charging stations in here. We have some here, back here. We also have the outlet plugs as well. We have 18 of the plugs. And then we have all of these back here. We have them everywhere. So we use the storage nets all around. We have charging stations all around. We have plugs everywhere. We don't want for anything. All right, so the next big thing that I'm gonna show you guys is our net, our bug net.
Is it?
All right, guys, perfect. Guess where else we have more storage? More storage. All right, so we have our fishing poles, our bottle jack. We have some lights here. We got everything that you need. We even got the little cups. We even have screws that we may need. We need all of this in here. So more storage, guys, more storage.
Alrighty guys, the wife done showed you the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick one on the outside, guys. This is very simple. We didn't do too much. We didn't change too many things on the outside. We want to try to keep it stealthy, so we didn't do too much. We did a very bare minimum. As you come up to the back, we have our tow hitch so that we can tow our trailers and stuff with it. And then we put this little, just for a step for when we're not towing. Over here we have our shore power, which we really don't have to ever use. And if you come around on the sides here, we put our little steps here, because you need steps. We're too old to be stepping up 18 inches. So we had to put some steps here. So the step goes all the way down. And then we have one on the driver's side also. And another thing we really like to point out, our security lights. These lights brighten up the whole outside when it's dark. It's pitch dark out here, and look at this. God lit up everything. The whole outside is lit up, as far as I can see. Same thing on the opposite side here, with all that good lighting. So I think I made a mistake because I didn't put that on the rear here. So you see how dark that is over there? And with the light on, look at that, beautiful. Then we have our security cameras outside also. We have that all the way around, 360 view. We have a nice little visor here. That way we can crack the windows and won't get wet on the inside. On the top, we have our AC unit for VLIT. We have a 400 watt solar panel, a nice big joint, just one big one. And then we have our, a ceiling fan, a roof fan. So that's all we have on the outside, guys. But underneath is where some more of the magic happens. Underneath you have your water tank. You have a gray water tank right there with a ball valve. So all you do is hit the button on the control panel and it drops all the water, gray water on the ground. And then over here, we have an air compressor. So that air compressor, you use it to pump up your inner tubes, your tires, or you see that thing right there? That's a train horn. If somebody get on your nerve, you hit that little button, sounds like a train. But that's all we have on the outside, guys. That is absolutely it. All right, we're gonna close this out for you. We hope y'all enjoyed this tour.
Yes.
Of our latest build.
Yes.
This is build number 2 when it comes to camper vans.
I hope y'all like it. I really, really do hope you like it, because we put a lot of thought and effort into it. We wanted to be different and wanted to have everything that we wanted to have.